Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into one of the most common questions I see from Telegram users. How do you tag everyone at once in a Telegram group? If you've ever wanted to alert all your group members, whether you're organizing an event, sharing urgent news, or just trying to grab everyone's attention, this tutorial is going to break down what's possible and how you can make it work, even though Telegram doesn't offer a magic at everyone button. So let's get right into it. First, it's important to understand why there isn't a single command to tag all members in a Telegram group. Unlike some other platforms, Telegram actually limits the ability to bulk mention everyone all at once. This is done to prevent spam and keep notifications from becoming overwhelming. After all, some groups can have up to 200,000 members. Imagine if every person in a group that size got a ping every time someone wanted to share an update. That would get chaotic really fast, so Telegram puts those limits in place to keep things manageable. Now, while there isn't an official feature like at everyone or at all, there are a few workarounds you can use, especially if your group is on the smaller side. The most reliable method is using mentions manually. Here, how it works. In any Telegram chat, you can mention a specific person by typing the @ symbol and selecting their username from the list that pops up as you start to type. This sends them a direct notification linked to your message, making sure they actually see it. If you're working in a small group, let's say 50 people or fewer, this process is surprisingly doable. Simply type your message and then add @ and begin typing each group member's name. Telegram will suggest users as you type, which helps speed things up. Yes, it takes a bit of effort, but the upside is you can be sure every member you mention will be directly notified. It's kind of like calling roll in a classroom, going name by name to make sure everyone is present and aware. And remember, if you're the admin or someone who needs to make an important announcement, this kind of personalized attention can really help your message stand out. But what about larger groups? If your group has more than 50 people, I want to reassure you, manually tagging everyone quickly becomes impractical. It's a bit like sending individual emails to an entire school instead of using a mailing list. It might work for a handful of people, but once your numbers grow, it takes way too long and can even come across as spammy. In these cases, consider pinning important messages to the top of your group chat, or asking your group's admin to set up announcement channels or bots that can distribute updates more efficiently, all while respecting Telegram's built-in notification limits. One more gentle tip: if you do use manual mentions, let your group know why you're tagging them. A quick intro like, "Hey everyone, tagging you so you don't miss this event update," can clear up any confusion and keep things friendly. So to sum up, while you can't tag all members in a Telegram group with a single command, you can use the manual mention method in smaller groups for urgent or important updates. If you've got a bigger group, look into pinning messages or using Telegram bots. Don't worry if this feels a bit tricky at first. It's all about finding what works best for your group size and needs. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any Telegram questions you'd like me to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.